Hello everyone! Today we want to show you one of our favorite customers once again. Victoria wanted to show you some of her dresses. Now she's wearing a cotton short dress. It's made of the cotton of a very good quality. There is a seam on the front. It's hidden under these details. The pleats go down from the seam. People often ask us about the designs for big people. Have a look at this detail. It starts from the sleeve, goes to the center front, and then down. This detail is made the same way as in my dress. I've already showed it to you. In my dress, the details cross on the center front, and in this dress, they are tied on the front. Watch the video about my dress if you haven't done it yet. Have a look at the front. Here is the seam. This is a shirt-style button stand. You already know how to make a concealed button stand. The best thing is that we managed to make pockets in these details. This is the answer to those who ask what to wear if you are a big size. This is my favorite dress. We're going to show you two more Victoria's dresses. We'll show them tomorrow. My love for these dresses is pure. I love that this is a short dress. I love that it's so light. I love that these details on the front make me look slimmer. Have a look at the armhole. It's double. This is the armhole, and this is kind of a tiny sleeve. Have a look at the back. These two darts turn into pleats. Don't think that tight items will make you look slimmer too. It's not true. Such interesting loose items will fit you much better if your body is similar to Victoria's. Victoria loves to wear different interesting accessories with this dress. The dress is very comfortable, and it's very easy to clean and wash it. And it's very important for me. Have a look at this concealed button stand. I've already showed you how to make it. Watch the video if you haven't done it yet. This is a men's style collar. Have a look at this pocket. You may think that it looks pretty strange here, but this is what the customer asks us to make. Have a close look at these details. It looks like this is a different item put on top of the dress, but it's not. Have a look at the pleats, pockets. Notice that all of the seams are top stitched. Very beautiful. Even the pockets are top stitched. This dress was made absolutely the same way as my dress with the draping on the front. I've already showed you how to make it. I wanted to have a close look at the pleats on the back. It's amazing that even though this dress is wide, it makes Victoria look slimmer. Have a look at us. You can see two amazing women standing in front of you. We don't think that we are fat or that something doesn't fit us. We know that we just need to find the designs which suit us. I'm a very active person, and this dress is very comfortable. Of course, I have some negative thoughts about my weight, but I don't want anyone to see it. Wearing this dress, I feel 100% confident that I'm amazing. As I've already said, when you feel and look beautiful, people around you feel it too. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Paukšti Irina and Victoria. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.